Hello everyone, my name is Amit and today in this video we are going to learn concept of match function in MS Excel. Match function returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. Syntax is match bracket lookup value comma lookup array comma match type bracket close. Let's understand this with the help of an example. We will apply match function on the selected data set. In the selected data set, you can see employee ID, name, department, designation, contact number and email ID of 9 employees have been mentioned. We will apply match function on this data set. Here you can see in a table name and position are the heading. So as soon as we will enter the name, we want to find its position in the table. We will do this with the help of match function. Now let's take first name as Robert. We want to find its position. We will use match function. So it will be equal to match. Now you can see there are three parameters: lookup value, lookup array and match type. Now lookup value is the value whose position we need to find. So it will be Robert, comma, lookup array is either a single column or a single row. We will compare Robert in the name column. So I have selected this column, comma, there are three options: less than, exact or greater than. We are looking for a exact name match. So we will put 0, bracket close. It is indicating Robert is at 8th position. We can verify this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see Robert is at 8th position. So match function basically gave the relative position of Robert in this name column. Let's apply this function to the employee ID. Let's take employee ID as A1007. We will apply match function for its position. So it will be equal to match. Now first is lookup value. So it is employee ID. We want to find its position. So we will look up in the array employee ID. So we will select this employee ID array, comma. Now again it's asking three type of matches: less than, exact or greater than. As employee ID is a unique thing, we will look for a exact match. So we will press 0, bracket close, enter. Now it is telling employee ID A1007 is at 7th position. You can verify it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can see employee ID A1007 is at 7th position. As you can see in this both the examples, we applied match function for a vertical set of data. Now, can it be applied to a horizontal set of data? Yes. Let's verify this. There are two headings, title and position. Title are this: employee ID, name, department, designation, contact number and email ID. So let's take any one of the title. Let's take designation. Now we took the title as designation. Let's find its position. So it will be equal to match. There are three parameters. Lookup value is the title. So we will select designation, comma. Now lookup array is the title heading. So we will select this headings. Third parameter is match type, which we will be looking for an exact match. So we will put 0, bracket close, enter. Now you can see employee ID is at 1st position, name at 2nd position, department at 3rd position and designation is at 4th position. So at position it has been displayed 4, that is a position of designation in the title column. So in this video we learned match function. It returns the relative position of an item in an array that matches a specified value in a specified order. Hope you understood the concept. Thank you for watching this video.